Okay, who else is on here? The last weight. Well, some more. They got weights all over the place in this bike. Okay, any more weights? There we go. Oop, that was all of them. We lost one, I got to find it later. Took off 6 weights. Pretty sure didn't need 6 weights. Oh well. Now I don't know where I need to go. Fan off. Time to be quiet so you can hear. So from here to here. So you got 3 fans of spokes, 3.5. So let's see if any of these spokes even move. If they don't move, try to loosen them and then try tighten them. It's really hard to chew these when you got so many spokes. Just you have a limited amount of space to work. Oh, that one. There we go. Loosen it, then you can tighten it. If I just tried to tighten it, I would have rounded it off. Here's another one. Break it free. It was there. Now I can tighten it. Now I'm hitting right through here. Getting heavy there. Heavy right through here. Even heavier over here. Starting right here, it gets heavy. Definitely that spoke, not that one. Loosen that up a little bit. Ooh, let's see. Definitely that one there is tight as hell. It seemed like it was tight, but it didn't feel tight. All through here. Okay. Those are pretty tight. Loosen them all up just a little bit. Go on the other side, do the same thing. Definitely tight. Do 2 on that one. Same on that. Those are really tight. Ooh. It's tight. Man. that spoke we had before. Down is loose. Ooh, that's tight. 1, 2. Only one on that one. Pretty tight on these again. Loosen these up 1. Group. Whatever you do on one side, do on the other, and it stays straight. That one's really tight. Ooh. I'm not sure how much that's in the nipples tight. I think the nipples tight on the thread, not the actual tighten the wheel. There we go. Ooh. Hurry up, heavy on these ones. Ooh, that's tight. Ah! Damn, that hurt. My thumbnail on the side of the rim. Gotta find these tight ones and loosen them up. Those ones are fighting you. There it goes. Now these are low here, drags here, drags here. So from here to here it's low. So you kind of in the middle area and tighten these up over here a little bit, bring them back. So we'll just pick a, I try to go in even fans. Probably need to do the whole area equally, but I'm going to take up some of the slack. That one obviously hasn't broken free yet. Where'd you get on that one? That one's loose. That one's tight as hell. You loosen that up. You tighten one next to it that's loose, up to equal torque. It eliminates a tight spot. See, that side's loose now, so we'll give a little torque on that. This one's probably tight. Oh yeah, this one's tight as hell. Oh. So it's not even moving. There it goes. So two spokes right next to each other are really tight, right across from each other. We found them, loosened them. The one that was next to it that was loose, dead loose, we tightened. From here to here. Ooh. One of them. So if they're tight, I loosen them. If they're loose, I leave them. That's a tight one. Not so much on that one. Yeah, it's no longer tight here anymore. Real heavy on this pair. So see if there's a tight one in here. Sort of, not real tight, but a little bit. A little bit on that one. Up there, and this one here, a little bit. Not that one at all. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So they're getting all kind of loose. We just got to figure out where we're going to start tightening out. Starting here. So from here to here, we're loose. So that's this group of fan right here. We'll pull that up a little bit. It's got like a flat spot in there where it's the wrong direction. And this has torque on it already too, this nipple. There's a lot of torque on that nipple already for what it is. The one next to it's not much. Torque on that one also. Not so much on that one. Now you hear it tap, tap, tap across. Tight here again, still. You hear it's a lot more even. Now from about here to here it's kind of loose. So at this point they're all pretty, we're fighting back and forth and where we're tight, where we're loose. So at this point I usually start at the valve stem and I work my way around. So take a break, be right back.